Hi, to enable or disable Raise to Wake feature on the POCO F6, we would need to open Settings first, and here scroll till we can see the Display and Brightness tab. After that, scroll till the end and go in the lock screen settings, and after that you'll see Raise to Wake feature. So if you want to use it, you just need to enable it by tapping on the switcher and it will light up blue. Now let's test it. I'm gonna lock my phone and now Raise to Wake it, and yeah, the screen lights up, so the phone wakes up and we just need to unlock it. Now let's go back in the setting, and here we can also enable the scroll feature, double tap to wake or turn off screen when device is locked. But notice that it works only for classic or limitless themes. So let's test it. I'm gonna lock my phone and then double tap to wake up. And now let's double tap to turn it off. And yeah, it's working. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.